Hi everyone and welcome to Studio Design. My name is Lina and in today's video I want to show you how you can upcycle an old CD disc and create a very interesting gemstone imitation. So let's get started. And as usual, if you want to support me and my channel, don't forget to hit the red button, like this video, leave a comment down below, and let's keep going. And here's everything I'm going to be using in today's video. The most important thing here is to use the CDR discs instead of the DVD disc. I tried to do the same procedure with the DVD discs and it didn't work. So what I'm doing first is kind of cutting out and separating that foil on the front side of the disc. And if you want, you can go and cut out the entire round shape of the disc. I decided to go just with the half of it. Then on top of that, I'm adding the polymer clay. I already flattened that before. So I'm rolling it slightly with a rolling pin. And after that, carefully I start kind of peeling off the clay with the foil on it. It comes off pretty easy. As you can see, it even went a little bit further from the cut that I made. And here how it looks. And since I wanted to do the gemstone imitation, I'm gonna run it through the pasta machine so it can add on some cracks to the foil. Here how it looks like. Now I'm just making sure it's all even and straight. And after that, using an awl, I'm adding some extra texture. After that, I start adding alcohol inks. I started with the brightest colors I have. It's gonna be yellow and orange. After that, I'm adding blue. And in the very end, I'm gonna be adding black. Also here, I'm using just 70% alcohol in a spray bottle to kind of help the inks to mix faster. Then also notice that I have too much of the alcohol ink in this one spot, so I'm removing the excess just using the napkin. And when I'm happy how the colors are looking like, I'm letting it dry. I also used the hair dryer to kind of speed up the process. After that, I'm cutting out the shapes and baking them as usual. After the baking, I'm adding on the epoxy resin and letting it cure for 24 hours. And here's my final result. I think it came out pretty cool, and that technique in particular, it's a very good way to upcycle and reuse old CD discs and also create some interesting gemstones. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to share with me in the comments below, and we see each other in the next video.